Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the browser settings now. Once there, you locate privacy or site settings. Explain why. Cookies store session data and preferences, so resetting clears potential conflicts. Make sure to sign out if you need to preserve sessions, otherwise proceed. Click the menu, choose Settings or Preferences, then find Privacy, Security, or Site Settings. This first step sets the context and ensures you reach the exact controls to manage cookies for all sites or specific domains. Once in Privacy Settings, navigate to Cookies and other site data. This is where you control storage. You choose whether to clear all cookies, remove cookies for a single domain, or block cookies going forward. Each choice has different consequences. Explain how. Clearing all reset site preferences, deleting one site targets just that site, blocking prevents future storage. Make sure to use the settings search if the option is hidden, and review save site exceptions before you delete anything important. Now you clear the cookies and confirm the action. Expect to be signed out of websites and to lose some preferences. That's normal. Once done, restart the browser and sign back into required services and make exceptions for trusted sites to avoid future friction. If pages break, make sure cookies are enabled and try clearing the cache as well. Alternately test in a private window to isolate extensions. One key tip: disable extensions temporarily if specific sites still misbehave after the reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.